Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter of the Advanced CapCut for Video Editing tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 6, where I'll be showing you guys how you can actually turn text to voice feature. Okay, so we'll learn how you can actually put up a text, then you can just change into a voice over here. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So over here, you guys can see this is the same frame using which we worked into our last class. Okay, so over here now, basically, if I do want to come here and if I do want to turn up a text into a voice, so for that, what I need to do is I need to go to the text, and over here now I need to go to this AI generated option. Okay, so here you guys can actually create amazing text effects with simple kind of prompts. Otherwise, you guys can basically go to add text, and from here now you guys can basically add this particular text right from here. Okay, so once you do have added this particular text box, basically you guys can just write your text around. Okay, let's say I will come here and I do have my text box. So from here, now let's change the color of the text. Let's say you also want the text to be in your page. Okay, so now from here you guys just manage all of this, like what kind of font are you going to take. Let's say I will just take this Rubik one, and what I'm gonna do is there he goes to his journey all alone. Okay, so if you do want to write it over here, you guys can write it down over here as well. There he goes to his journey all alone, and full stop. You guys can write, don't know when will he return back to home again. Okay, so you guys can just type this thing around, and let's say now what you want to do is let's come here, let's just give out a space, and after that, let's say you do want to put out this bubble effect. You guys can also do that over here if you do want to put out any kind of bubble effect, but what we are going to talk about is basically the text to speech. Okay, so for me, I will just click on text to speech option right over here, and now whatever text did you have, right, you guys can just check out which one of the text or the speech style you want to use. Okay, so here let's say Jesse. Let's try to hear this one out. Okay, so you guys can just click on start reading, or let's say there are different options. Okay, like serious female. Do you want voice of a peaceful female, or here are also different options. Okay, so on top basically you do have the female voices mostly. Okay, but over here you do have the normal male, the charming male. Here different kinds you guys can just check out right over here. So once you have selected, okay, let's say once you do have selected which one you want to work with, you guys can come here and you guys can just click on start reading. Okay, so now let's click right over here. Let's bring it back onto this place, and now let's select this one.
There he
And
goes to his journey all alone, don't know when will he return back to home again.
here you guys can see.
There he goes to his journey all alone, don't know when will he return back to home again.
And if you do want to make any changes, let's come here. Let's go to this text option again. Let's go to basic. And from here, now you guys can just put out a comma. And what you can do is now let's go to text to speech and let's go to
There he
serious
goes
male.
to his journey all alone. Don't know when will he return back to home again.
So here,
There he goes to his journey all alone.
There he goes to his journey all alone, don't know when will he return back to home again.
So here you guys can see.
There he goes to his journey alone.
So here you also you guys.
He goes to his journey.
There he goes to his journey all alone.
So
There
once
he
you have
goes to his
selected,
journey all alone.
I will just
Don't know when will.
take this
There he goes
storyteller,
to his journey all alone. Don't know when will he return.
or let's go with the
There he
steady mail.
goes to his journey all alone. Don't
And
know
now
when
I
will
will
he
just
return.
click on this particular option known as start reading. Okay, so it's basically applying the text to speech right over here. And as you guys can see, it had already done it right over here. And now what you can do is, if you do want to increase the duration, you guys can't, but all you can do is you guys can come here and you guys can just place this one right at some particular point. Okay, so now if I just play this video all along, let's come here, let's play.
There he goes to his journey all alone. Don't know when will he return back to home again.
So once you have this text, let's say now I can just delete this one as well. Okay, so let's come here, let's click on delete. And now if I just take this particular audio, and if you do want to enhance the voice, let's click on enhance voice. And also you guys can basically enhance it. See here, it's basically processing the voice right over here. So I'll just wait. And now let's hear this one out, how it actually sounds. Okay.
There he goes to his journey all alone. Don't know when will he return back to home again.
So yeah, and once you're done, if you do want to fade in, let's say for 0.4 secs, and over here, I will just put 0.4 sec right over here back again. Okay, so let's see how it actually sounds.
There he goes to his journey all alone. Don't know when will he return back to home again.
So yeah, this is how you guys can actually work. Okay. And if you do want to increase the volume and stuff over here, you guys can also do that right over here back again. Let's keep it right over here. And from here, now I will just decrease. And now let's add a keyframe. And over here, now at this particular point, what I'm gonna do is let's come here. Let's just bring it at this particular point. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add up another keyframe just by moving this one up. Okay, so I'll just add one keyframe right over here, and the same way let's bring it at this particular point. Let's add this particular keyframe, and lastly I will just put it right over here. Let's decrease it at this point over here. Let's add up a keyframe over here again. Okay, so now I do have applied this one. Let's come here and let's see how it actually sounds.
There he goes to his journey all alone. Don't know when will he return back to home again.
So yeah, this one sounds quite professional, and this is how you guys can actually use this particular option of this basic audio setting. But now if you do want to change this particular voice, let's say I will go to voice changer option, and here you guys can basically change the voice as well. Okay, let's
There he goes to his
journey all alone. Don't know when.
There he goes to his journey all alone.
Let's check
There
this
he
one.
goes to his journey all alone. Don't
Let's
know
go
when.
with low. Let's
There he goes to his
tremble.
journey all alone.
Okay,
Don't know when will he return.
so now let's put energetic.
There he goes to his journey all alone. Don't know when will he return back to home again.
So basically over here, you guys can actually change the voice as well. Okay, so different kind of characters are here. Okay, so you guys can actually use different characters, different kind of voice filters as well. Okay, you guys can check those things out. If I just
There
apply
he
this
goes
one,
to his journey all alone. Don't know when will he return back to home again.
so once this is done, now let's export this file. And for export, let's go to this export option. and you guys can just name this file and basically export it right from here. So I hope to see you all in the next chapter. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.